In this video, I will show how to add automatically watermark in your WordPress uploaded images. So search this plugin image watermark, then install. Then activate. After activation, hover cursor to settings. Then click on watermark. Check this box to enable watermark for uploaded images. And check this mark if you want to enable apply watermark option for media library images. And also there are some more options. Enable watermark for these all parameter. Watermark alignment. Select the watermark alignment like center or anywhere. Select your image as you want to use watermark. Then click on Save Changes. Now visit your website. Open the post or page where you have the images. And make sure you have to select any options. Check the image size watermark will be applied to. Important, checking full size is not recommended, as it's the original image. You may need it later. For removing or changing watermark image sizes, regeneration, or any another image manipulation, use it only if you know what you are doing. So use this plugin and share your experience. Hopefully guys, you like this video. Thanks for watching.